stuffing from scratch can be amazing, but if you don't have the time, you can take boxed stuffing and make it better. Let me show you how. First, choose your favorite boxed stuffing, or whatever might be on sale. We're also going to need 1 Granny Smith apple, 1 onion, and 4 stalks of celery. Add to that 1 cup of chopped walnuts and 6 tablespoons of butter. And finally, 3½ cups of turkey or chicken stock and 12 ounces of chopped bacon. Go ahead and chop up the onions, the celery, and the apples. Get a pan going over medium heat. Once the pan is hot, go ahead and add the bacon. Make sure you stir it. We're going to cook this until it's not quite crispy. Go ahead and remove the bacon and most of the bacon grease from the pan and add the 6 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter is melted, add the onions. We're going to let these cook for about 3 minutes on their own. Next, we're going to add our celery and give that a stir. And then the apples get to join the party. If your box of stuffing came with a seasoning packet, add about half of it now. If it didn't, add your own favorite mix of seasonings that you would use for a homemade stuffing. Finally, add the walnuts and cook for about 4 minutes so that everybody starts to soften up. Add this mixture to the boxed stuffing mix in a large bowl. Then, add our bacon. Go ahead and mix everything thoroughly. Then, we're going to add our stock. Give this a really good mix so that all of that tasty liquid is evenly distributed and absorbed. Fill a greased baking dish with the stuffing mixture and spread it around to make sure it's evenly distributed. Go ahead and cover the baking dish with foil, and we are ready for the oven. Preheat an oven to 350 degrees and put the baking dish in. We're going to let this go for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we're going to remove the foil and then continue baking uncovered for 10 more minutes. After 10 minutes, or when the top of the stuffing is golden brown, it is ready. Then get a dish and serve up some of this wonderful stuffing. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you again soon.